Friends, welcome back to another video. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Beast of Reincarnation game crashing or stuck on loading screen, lagging, black screen, not launching, not opening or other issues on Xbox. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to check for Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. First open settings on your Xbox, choose system, then select updates. Here check if any update is available and click on it to begin the updating process. Once the update is finished, now launch the game and check. Next method is check for Beast of Reincarnation updates. Apart from console, you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check if any update is available and after updating the game launch and check. Next is to clear Xbox cache. Deleting the cache of your Xbox can help to tackle the issue. For that, press Xbox symbol on your controller and now move down to Profile and System. Then choose Settings, System, Console Info. Here choose Reset Console. Then select Reset and keep my games and apps option, and after that launch the game and check. Next is to check storage. For that, press Xbox button, go to Profile and System, click on Settings, click on System, click on Storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused apps or games to create space. Next is to clear persistent storage. So this will help you to clear the cache data. For that, open Settings, choose Device and Connections, click on Blu-ray, select persistent storage, choose clear persistent storage. Next is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on Settings under Profile and System. Now go to Account, click on Remove Accounts. Here choose the account to remove. Select Remove option. After that, add the account again and then check if everything is working fine. Next is to reinstall Beast of Reincarnation. For that, press Xbox button controller, move to My Games and Apps, select See All option. Here select Beast of Reincarnation, press menu button, select Uninstall. After the game is removed, open Beast of Reincarnation official website and download the game and then check if it's working. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So lastly, when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you're coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do, or else they will try to resolve it from their end. And you can play the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.